What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and today we have another unboxing video. This particular unboxing video is the Hoover Air Steerable, formerly known as the Hoover WindTunnel Air Steerable. Now, normally I would have an unboxing video like this on a tripod, but this particular box is really tall for some reason, despite this being a compact machine. And I know it's not because it's fully assembled. I know the handle is off of the box, so I'm not sure why the actual box is this tall, because if you actually look, it is the height of a normal vacuum almost. If we put a normal vacuum next to it, you can see it's actually not that much shorter than a vacuum that's fully assembled, and a full-size vacuum at that, not a compact one like this. This is more of like a mid-size, not even a mid-size, it's a compact upright. So obviously more geared towards something like an apartment or a small house, something that could be debated that it could be arguably inappropriate for my home. But nevertheless, I did own one of these a while ago, about a year and a half ago. It was dead. There was really no reviving it. In fact, buying this machine brand new cost, without tax, $10 less than if I bought a motor to fix that other one. And that's getting that information directly from Hoover. So if that isn't planned obsolescence and anti-consumer design, I don't know what is. So I'm not very happy with the experience with TTI so far. But we'll see if this machine is good enough to allow them to keep my money. And if it's not, it's certainly going back to the store. So I've undone the box, or the tape I should say, with the world's smallest pair of scissors, and we can go ahead and do the unboxing itself. So we're going to open the top of this. Obviously we've already cut it. And we can see, welcome to a new generation of clean. As you enjoy your product, connect with us to share your experience, or leave a review at hoover.com. There's a guy right here saying to insert the handle, slide the end of the hose into the position. On the back of the vacuum, lever floor mode. Place the bottom of the dirt cup on the vacuum body, and then pivot the cup into the vacuum to secure. Okay, so I guess that's not on by default. And then place a combination tool onto the post located on the side of the vacuum. So there we go, that's pretty self-explanatory. But I'll still show you how to do it anyway, since I will be assembling this to try it out. So here's the user's guide. Here's the getting started. Pretty self-explanatory. This is a machine where you have to manually switch the hose between floor and tool mode. As you can see right there. That's kind of weird how that's still something you have to do. Here's the combination dusting brush and upholstery tool. Dusting brush and crevice tool, I mean, and I just dropped it. So there's that. Looks rather nice. Actually, not really. It feels kind of cheap. Hopefully this is 1.25 inches, because that does not look like a good attachment. We're going to lift this styrofoam up. Really, Hoover? You're still using styrofoam? Really? Okay, the dirt cup is already installed. Yeah, it's really annoying how Hoover is using styrofoam. There's no reason to use styrofoam in 2021. Here's our hose. The main vacuum has fallen to the side for some reason. We're going to lift this out. Hard to do with one hand. Okay, that's how it comes out in these two styrofoam blocks. So we're just going to nudge these off and nudge this one off as well. Okay, we should be able to put this up right now. There we go. This little styrofoam block that holds on here, this little piece has fallen off. So now we can pull off the plastic, which has gotten pinched underneath this. So I'll have to recline this. And pull this off. There we go. And now we put this back upright, just like that. And this is a pretty simple assembly. The vacuum at this point is pretty much assembled, because the only part that you have to install is something that you would normally take off as part of the usage anyways. So, take the wand, handle facing towards the front, slide it in this top piece right here, push it down until this little clip clicks into place. Heard that click. Now this part goes, oh, there's a piece of tape there. Pull that off. Same tape that Bissell uses. Then we put this down in here, or does it go the other way? No. Yeah, it does. So it goes in this way, just like that. You can see the two ones match up. If you want to put this in hose mode, you have to manually pull this hose out, and like this, move this little cover out of the way, and click it into place. Now it's in hose mode. So obviously when you do that, you want to make sure this hose is detached so you're not sucking this down into the machine and potentially burning out the motor. Then to undo this, press this button again, pull this hose out, and then stick it right back there. So you have to manually do that. And of course, this clips in right here, and then finally this clips in right there. And now your hose is installed. Finally, you just wrap your cord around the winders. As per usual, they give you a free twist tie, that's nice, and a free cable cover, molded plug. As per traditional vacuums nowadays, this bottom cord clip is fixed, you can't move it, and this top cord clip is swivelable, so you can easily remove the cord. And then finally, if we find that attachment, boop, that goes right there. And now the machine is fully assembled. So this is one of the most simple assembly tutorials that you will ever see on a vacuum. Shiny. So this uses WindTunnel 3 channels of suction. So in a way, this is basically like a smaller, more compact version of the WindTunnel 3 high performance. Although this one is only dual cyclonic and not multi-cyclonic. But yeah, so pretty short assembly tutorial on this, and unboxing as well. Everything is pretty simple. So I mean, I guess while I'm here, I might as well show you how to access the filters. So, pull off the dirt container with this green button right here. For some reason my camera's not wanting to focus. So, a green button right there releases the dirt cup. And I've seen some people struggle with these on Hoover vacuums. There's a little tab to unlock. You want this arrow to line up with the lock icon. When you turn it over to the unlock, you just grab this and twist it. See, now it's on the unlock. Now you can pull it off. And there's a filter right here. Remove and check underside. Obviously this is brand new, so it's going to look perfect. And you can see, ooh, this smells bad for some reason. Brand new filter and a brand new vacuum. And it has like a chemical-y smell to it. That smells weird too. This is definitely brand new. No one's used this before. You can tell when a vacuum's been used, a bagless vacuum like this, because the inside of this won't be shiny anymore. It'll be dusty. So yeah, this one is also multi-cyclonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this has 8 cyclones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 7 cyclones in here, and then obviously one outer cyclone on the bottom. So that's 8 cyclones. So pretty efficient cyclone system. So that's really good. And then as far as the oh, and also I'll show how to put this back on. So again, I usually just hold this in my legs, or if you have 2 hands, put this back on. Line up this arrow with the unlock and push it down until it's on all the way. Then you twist it, you hold this, make sure this part doesn't move, and twist this. Once you hear the click and it locks, and this arrow lines up with this lock, and you can't pull it straight up, that's when you know it's on all the way. Of course, that green button to empty the dirt container. There's a random hair on it for some reason. A very long hair, too. That's definitely not mine. And it's a blonde hair, too. Hey, do you see this? There's a blonde hair. It's really hard to see. I don't know if you can see that. There's a blonde hair stuck underneath this sticker. Well, that's weird. It's a bit odd. As far as the HEPA filter goes, same thing. There's a lock and an unlock. You twist this, pull it straight up. Here's your HEPA filter. Again, this has a little spot on it like it's been used. Or is that solid? That might just be solid. Feels a lot like the early Dysons. So again, you want to replace this on a regular basis. Or is this washable? Yeah, do not rinse filter. Yeah, so that's not washable. So don't wash this, replace this every once in a while. And that goes on very simply. You just line that up there, twist it, lock it into place. So yeah, that's the Hoover Air Steerable unboxing and assembly tutorial. So I will be using this vacuum along with the other vacuum that I just recently unboxed. You'll see that video after this one. And, or maybe before this one. Probably after this one because I filmed this one first. So I'll probably upload it first. And, I'll be testing both these brand new vacuums that I got from Walmart. And we'll see how well they do in my home. So anyways, this is Inteltech Studio signing out. See you guys in the next video. And I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.